server-based automated robotic control for industrial workspace. Finally, a project done by Soumya TV, Soundarya S, and Yashini V of RMD Engineering College, ECE Department. Mentored by Mr. S. Balasubramaniam, ME, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering, RMD Engineering College. Industrial automation. Hardware requirements. Raspberry Pi, camera with connector, Ethernet, temperature sensor, gas sensor, IR sensor, motor, lamp, cooling fan, LDR sensor, relay boards, robotic wheels. Our project is a cloud robot which is used in industrial and manufacturing environment. It works on a ROS platform. Here we use Raspberry Pi controller to control the various devices attached to it. Initially, a PC monitor is used to establish a connection with the Raspbian OS. The program is uploaded into the SD card. After the initiation, any device, either mobile or laptop, can be used to shift the control using the VNC Viewer app. Here the power supply is given through a normal phone charger, but in the case of wireless robot, a power bank can be used. A battery is used to power the motors which control the wheels of the robot. The program is run. A camera is used to provide visual input of the surrounding environment to the robot. Battery is connected. The movement of the robot is provided by DC motors and the direction is a predefined path. The controller and the receiver end is connected by Wi-Fi. The data input from the gas, temperature and IR sensor is given to the Raspberry Pi controller. Absence of light will be sensed by the LDR sensor and the lamp will be switched on. Temperature sensor is used to record the temperature of the surrounding. Cooling fan will be used when the system temperature is high. Fire detected alarm is issued. The cooling fan stops after a while. When the system goes into a critical situation, system will go loud using speaker. The loads are controlled with the help of relay board. The data obtained by the sensors and the camera are processed by the controller and stored in cloud. The predefined path of the robot is due to the fact that the objective is to fully automate the robot. The path is established in the program itself. The threshold for an alarm to be issued in the case of fire or smoke or system overload is issued in the program as well. When the threshold is exceeded, the warning is issued. This robot is of the basic low-cost type that can be used in simple industries where human error can cause a major breakdown. This also prevents human involvement in dangerous sectors of the industries. Thank you.